Modern industry offers different types of tools and toolkits of various applications. However, most operations still require basic tools such as screwdrivers, nippers and combination pliers. I'd like to introduce you ST-811V kit. This kit contains all necessary things. If you are sure that when doing some outdoor job you will not need a special tool, then there is no need to be always carrying a big kit with numerous tools or trying to get them from your workshop's remote shelf. The kit contains 4 screwdrivers, 2 Phillips screwdrivers of 3 and 5 millimeters, or as some call them, number 1 and number 2, as well as 2 spline screwdrivers of the same configuration. The kit also contains nippers, which can skin quite thin wires. They are also suitable for power leads, which are used in laying electric power lines. Besides, the kit includes convenient combination pliers, the so-called duckbills. With their help, you can hook small parts. With greater effort, you can bend or turn over nuts and screws. The kit also contains tweezers, which are needed quite often when performing simple assembling or disassembling operations. Thus we see that we don't always need a big expensive kit of professional tools. ST-811V kit will quite suffice for most general operations.